Nova Scotia. Here we are, we just got into the seaport. Behind me is an immigration museum. It is just walking right from off of the port and see what else the beautiful city has to offer. Come with me. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe right here if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. On the harbor walk, you can take a nice stroll along by the water and enjoy some of the vantage points of the marina, some ships, and even a lighthouse across the way. If you get hungry, don't forget to stop and grab some lunch at some of the restaurants. Paul's Church. It was built in 1749. It is the oldest church in Nova Scotia, and it was used for 96 years as the Army and Navy church. So behind me here is Sir John Wentworth's house. It is one of the oldest mansions here in Halifax. Sir John Wentworth died here in Halifax. He built this mansion for his sense of proprietary and for his very glamorous wife. This mansion is used as the government house for the Lieutenant Governor of Nova Scotia. So stepping right off the ship to our right here, we ran into a statue of Samuel Cunard. He is one of the people who immigrated from Philadelphia here to Halifax, and he basically is known for making Halifax a city that it's known for today, a big shipping and port city. That does it for our adventure in Halifax. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a beautiful city and I really enjoyed exploring all around the town. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time.